Pangit mo. Pangit ang buhok. Ako ko. This is the largest man-made waterfall. Singapore lang ba?
Yeah, in Singapore.
Over the world.
Yeah.
Nasa Guinness World Book of Records. Tama.
Is that true?
Again, may I introduce to you the largest man-made waterfall in Singapore.
Who told you that?
Uh,
Do you have any proof that this is the largest waterfall?
no, I don't have any proof, but it was mentioned earlier. You know?
By whom? By the
The voice over.
the voice of